Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a card share video. I got a couple of new items that I wanted to share with you and that I made cards with. So Spellbinders had, they've been having a sale, seemed like every week on some die or stamps or whatever. So I picked up the clearest stamp of the month from November last year, and this is the diamond and arch motif, 7 clear stamps. And then it also has a die set, and it cuts out the sentiments as well as the flower. Now when I saw this online, I knew I wanted to buy it because I thought it would make really pretty, just kind of like, you don't have to color it, just stamp it on colored paper. I love doing that because I'm not a colorist. I just had to kind of face up to that fact. So let me show you the cards that I made. Also, before I show you the cards, I used the Gina Marie die set on one of the cards. And this one is called the Rick Rack Nested Rectangles. And then I also used this really pretty one from Gina Marie. And this one is called the Nested Scallop Rectangles. So I use those also on the card. So here we go. So, sorry, trying to pick them up. So here it is in the yellow. Use some gold little gemstones that were in my stash, and then this happy birthday. It's really cute, and I love doing this with the, the same color, or just a little lighter version rather. But I thought that one turned out cute. And then here's the orange. And I have such a hard time putting embellishments on cards, and like these gems, I just put them in the 4 corners, and then I thought they kind of looked crazy like that, but I like it. And then we have the purple one. And then this one, I backed them all with the black cardstock from Basil, and then the different colors that Basil have. So that's pretty. And I think this may be my favorite one. This happy birthday. And actually, when I glued the first gem down, I glued it upside down. So then I just glued the other ones upside down too, because I have such issues with those. So we have the one like the teal, the purple, the orange, and the yellow. Let me know which one is your favorite down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.